Neighboring Pakistan is bracing for a wave of refugees as thousands of Afghans gather at a major border crossing. Security has been ramped up at the Spin Boldak crossing after Pakistani officials said they do not want an influx of refugees from Afghanistan. Thousands cross the trade route every day, and there are fears of a major humanitarian crisis at the border. Pakistan already hosts nearly 3 million Afghan refugees. And we can speak now to DW journalist Binish Javed, who's standing by in Islamabad. Binish, what can you tell us right now about the situation at Pakistan's border with Afghanistan?
Hi, Sumi. So there are two major border crossings that are open between Pakistan and Afghanistan. One is the northwestern border, Torkham border, which is much more stricter. So we don't see an influx of refugees from that border. But the southwestern border of Pakistan, Spin Boldak or Chaman border, is seeing an influx of Afghan refugees entering into Pakistan. And there is a reason for that. There is a decades-old law between Pakistani and Afghan authorities that allow people to cross border just on the basis of an ID card. There were protests because Pakistan wanted to change this law. And then when recently Taliban took over, they briefly closed the border, and there were negotiations between Taliban and Pakistani authorities, and the same decades-old law has been restored. So now Afghans, and the tribes and the people in this border, most of the time they're one family, relatives and friends, and they're living in one part of the family is living in Pakistan and the other is in Afghanistan. But now that people in Afghanistan know about this leniency, we see that people from north of Afghanistan, from central Afghanistan, are entering Pakistan through the Chaman Spin Boldak border just on the basis of Afghan ID card, which is called Taskara. And that's why not from anywhere else. Also, there's Kabul airport is blocked. So most of the Afghans are finding this route the easiest to enter into Pakistan.
Binish, can you tell us more about how government officials there are reacting to this new influx of refugees?
Yeah, so I spoke to government officials, and they say that Pakistan does not want to accept any more Afghan refugees. It already, as you mentioned, hosts more than 3 million Afghan refugees. It does not have the financial capacity. That's the official position of Pakistan. But the ground reality is it's really hard to stop influx of refugees. The reporters I spoke to at the border told me that more than 10,000 Afghans are entering into Pakistan every day. Pakistan says that if there is a large influx that it will not be able to handle, then it will not allow Afghans to enter into Pakistan. Rather, there will be camps and Afghans will be accommodated and stopped at the border and will not be allowed to enter into Pakistan. I also spoke to UNHCR, and as of now, UNHCR has not reported any major influx of Afghan refugees. So far, Pakistan is tolerating and accepting the Afghans that are entering into Pakistan, but it's closely watching the situation. And there's, of course, international pressure that Pakistan should accept more Afghan refugees, but Pakistan is adamant that it cannot accept any more, and that the international community should accept Afghan refugees into their countries.
DW correspondent Binish Javed speaking to us from Islamabad. Good to talk to you.